Are drywall and plasterboard the same thing? They're really not. Drywall is canvas-backed paper, useful for sealing openings and covering up the bare studs, the lath or cedar board that stick out from the wall. The plasterboard later came into use as a building material. It's made of gypsum sheets covered in sawdust pressed together on wooden battens to form panels. Although it's now listed as a different product, drywall and plasterboard are essentially interchangeable. Drywall does the job. If you're doing small jobs, your best bet will probably be drywall. When it comes to doing larger size jobs, it makes sense to weigh your options between drywall and plasterboard. When it's best to use plasterboard. If you're hanging sheets in a room that gets a lot of moisture, say for instance, a bathroom, you should use plasterboard because it's mold resistant. Also, if you're concerned about soundproofing, plasterboard is a better choice. Hanging and finishing process. When it comes to hanging and finishing, drywall is definitely faster and less expensive. While plasterboard may be a bit more expensive, it goes on cleaner and will last longer. Need help deciding whether to use drywall or plasterboard? Then call or text Drywall Paint Plus of Worcester, Mass. today. 50898133254.